see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause but at some point we move up.
First time niya sumama mag-grocery guys, pero hindi para sa bahay.
And when we find no one wants to start, and as time goes by, I wonder
Slowly o kasi niya, para ma-experience
can
niya
we
yung ginagawa
reverse
ko
the
every day.
fall? Can we go back?
Oh, nailagay niya na yung good evening guys. Dito na tayo. Yes, today is, alam niyo naman guys, today kasi kanina kausap ko lang kayo. Pero ito nga, another vlog na lang to kasi.
Plenty of knives in there, so I'll put them inside.
Why plenty?
Oh, there's
How many?
8 in there.
It's alright because if we have some people coming or visit
I've
it.
still got these ones to go get pub.
Yeah. Wala, hindi pa nila nahugasan yun kasi wala nang time. Hugasan na lang pa, gagamitin. Then, next time ko na lang ipakita sa iyo pag okay na, okay? Kasi rush tayo ngayon. Kasi wala tayong time dito sa Caravan. So, yun na nga. Today is April 14. Gabi na. And eto yung mga bili natin kanina.
Wait.
And bawal ng sleepers dito. Ito pang loob to eh.
I shouldn't have one. I want to go.
Where's, yeah, you should have brought your fluffy one, Baba. Next time, okay? Tomorrow. Cake. Alright, kita nyo kami, guys. What's that? Hindi pa tungkas na mga ano, guys. Hugasan na lang namin yung paggagamitin. Thank you, Baba. We need, where's the bag head? The garbage bag.
Oh, I'm using
Baba, just close this for now. Okay, we have a lot of chips.
There's only left in there.
Mommy, look what we got.
Yeah, my thing.
Egg.
Yeah, in the car.
Yeah.
Oh, huh, don't forget my drink. Can you put it in the fridge?
Ollie, can you pick them papers up, please?
Ito yung akin to, guys. Akin. Si Sak for sure and Kuya kasi mango siya, guys. Dapat siguro doon kayo sa kabila. Para mas kita nyo. Wait lang, ha? Kasi na, Kuya, dito kayo sa boy. Position pa lang kayo. So yun na nga, kagabi, si Jan.
Them two, please.
Sobrang busy niya maglagay ng mga plato. Oh, parang ang baba naman. Oy. Wala nang itataas pa yan. Han, can I borrow that one, please?
Nah, I've got all the stuff and I'm getting rid of it. It's right outside. Look out.
I'm just gonna use it.
Yeah, so I've got all the little stuff in
Ah,
it.
no. Ito na lang. Ipasok ko kayo dito. Ito yung snacks ng mga bata at ni Johnny Boy. O, diba?
Yeah, walkers.
Elevate ko kayo dyan. Para-paraan. Okay. Hindi na putol ang ating ulo. Kasi sabay. Next time ko na kayo i-tour sa aming mga drawers pag ayos na siya, guys. So ngayon, mag-unpack lang tayo ng grocery.
Huh?
Yeah. Just put this one here, huh?
Yeah, I'm about to. But you shut it.
Ah, sorry.
So we've got heaps of there.
That's good.
Too hot.
No, what you have to do is like this. Why do you still have plastic?
I think it's only that one.
It's dangerous.
There's too many. We've got heaps. We don't need a heap stack on. That's
How
plenty.
many? One? Just do this like this. Okay, see? Perfect. Okay. Where are we gonna put our milk can?
So I'm not doing that.
na full memory kayo guys. And may pa-music na kami. So, lagyan ko na lang kayo ng music din. Basta, ang gagawin namin ay mag-put away ng mga groceries. Okay now.
Mom.
Where does this go? Where does where's the chocolate go? Where does this go?
Oh, that's for Nana. We're gonna give it to her.
All that.
Dito yung ating chips. Last yun ang ating chips. Grabe. Dito ba siya doon guys?
Is this like
Sa car na lang. Maliit na lang. Napatungan
Hi, I just
ko.
wanted to say good morning, and I wanted to call you before you had to go to work, but I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
First time I met you, didn't have a clue what you meant to me.
Tama niya?
Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby. You changed my life. Everything I do, I want
Knife and scissors there. Wow.
people come and people go, but it don't matter 'cause
He's organised. Look. Yeah, green guy's in the guitar. Right.
Grain-wise,
More on something.
Doritos and chips,
Right.
and Twisted.
Dito na sila kuya.
Hey, say hello.
Good.
Gusto mo sini dyan, may music.
Sila, what do I
Magpa-copyright tayo.
Back.
Ah!
So, what's in the
Okay na.
fridge?
Ito yung,
What's in the fridge?
ito yung binili ni dyan sa Bunnings, guys. Ayan. Bunnings.
That,
Yung sa ano ba? Barbecue tool set. Ayan, barbecue tool set. Ayan, heavy duty siya.
What?
Where are we gonna put
Yeah, I
this?
know.
Can you undo this, huh?
saw it yesterday.
What's in the bag?
Yeah, in the back.
Same.
What's that?
Oh, a spider.
Mum.
I want a spider problem.
I probably should.
What's in
Ito
there?
guys yung kulambo. Para sa ating pagkain.
Oh, I know them. That looks like
Oh! Oh! Like umbrella.
No, wait, hang on. Your turn.
Don't wreck it, Baba.
Oh, you look like fashion.
Fashion. Is it fashion?
I look fashion. With a hat.
Fashion daw siya. So, bumili tayong dalawa. Kulambo talaga
But we
to.
can put that on a cake if you're making a cake for us.
Yes.
Oh, where's the cabinet? It's like on like April Fool's and Johnny popcorn.
Yes.
Johnny popcorn. Wait, Mum,
Ah.
where's the cabinet? Where do we get all the food?
Oh. Up there.
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 Pantry. It's not your favorite.
Huh?
Where's the pantry?
Yeah, there. I'm just
Where? Where?
in my can you do something for me, Kuya? In my office, you know the drawers on my table, the first, second, or just first, second, or third. Can you get the wipes, please? for
Get
now?
the Dorito sauce.
Yeah, that's for here.
Yeah,
Yeah, but wipes.
Wipes and the Dorito sauce?
Yeah.
Dorito sauce.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, and could you get my fluffy socks? Get
Go with Kuya and then get your sleepers, not the fluffy socks.
Get Dorito sauce.
Yes. And how about you? What are you doing?
I don't know. You telling me nothing to do.
Just sit down there because you're blocking. You're
I
blocking.
want to do something.
You wanna do something?
Yeah, I want to put all the snacks in there neatly.
All right.
Yeah, I'll just say. Alright.
Oh, wait.
to give me a bit of room here to
Okay.
do that.
Can you do it in a
I'm going to have to do it though because
Yes. And eto nabili ko
It's
sa
gonna slide.
nakakuha ako ng
Without
ganito sa Big W kasi dalawa lang na ganito. Sana magkasya. Ayaw talaga ni dyan yung nabili ko sa tawag nun sa
the
ano ba?
job should be pretty quick
IKEA.
because I'll make one and then I'll trade
Yeah,
the rest.
yes. Oh, like I think like this one.
Yeah, but no,
Yeah, like that.
like that.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Just gonna cut this. How many? 4?
Yeah, but I'm going to cut around that.
Yeah. No, just you don't have to be perfect.
Yeah, you do.
Oh.
Do it properly, mate.
But now, can you do like all Doritos?
I'm doing a
Cheers, mate.
Ah, okay.
What are you doing?
Put it together.
What are you doing, Jack?
Ang tigas ng eto ni Sapo, yung bicep niya, tigas. I got this. Start. You like this in pizza?
I got that for you, mate.
No, I did.
I did, Jack.
Where are you going, babe?
Get me tape measure and my pen. Where's Holly?
See? Oh, she's getting her slippers.
these are the last Doritos.
Okay, I need this lamp.
And then I'll put all the grain wine. This is small.
Okay, patong ko na ulit kaya 6 minutes na to, guys. Pag may music, i-fast forward ko na lang. Tulad dito.
What you hiding from me? What you holding?
Yes, you have to talk.
That's what I did. Put all the Doritos in one pile, then the grain wine, and then the twist, and then the twisty.
Yeah, so you just have to wait for Daddy. Maybe we'll put this here first. Oh, careful.
I couldn't find the tool.
You couldn't find
In
it.
the bag.
Okay. That's not your next slippers.
Oh, there is this one.
Okay, Kuya, thank you. Yeah. So now you know why I don't like you to pick your nose, TJ? Caravan? So you stop doing that now. I don't want to see you doing that all the time. When you do that stuff.
Oh, we have what?
Oi, don't forget for you to get rice. Rice. Why don't you get rice now?
Mom, why do you want that? You can just... Oh, I wanted to clean. What's in that? That was...
Stop it. No, you won't fix that. I know.
That's a shame.
No, we can put the other one.
Wait, let's put all that in. Mom, I know. Mom, we put all red. No.
What? That's for Nana.
We should put Yes, cool you. This
We can just put it for now.
Mom, you would be there. You'll be there. So we would put it there. Is that us? Mom, is that us? You?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll look at the movie.
What about the vlog?
Why don't you go there and get rice? Where's that? Wait. Is it time, Mama?
Yeah, let's go.
That's that. Mama, stop jumping. Put my camera there. Wait, you want Mom? You want
Okay, bye. I'll do it. I'll do
Fast-forward ko na kayo, guys. Kasi, 13 minutes na. Seryoso talaga siya, guys. Tingnan niyo siya.
370, you'll be fine.
Seryoso siya. Hininaan ko muna yung sound natin, guys. Ang lakas. Oh, ayan siya. Anong tawag sa atin na, ano ba yung tawag nito sa atin, guys? Yung, and then dito na sila. Yeah, kami. Ayan na si Kuya. Yung dala niya na yung kanyang bigas. Thank you, Kuya. You should have brought the cup, yeah.
Oh, you want to go get it?
No, it's alright. Tomorrow na lang, yeah. Huwag kalimutan ng rice for Kuya. Seryoso talagang asawa ko sa kanyang pa-measurement dyan, oh. Buti na talaga, nakahanap ako puti na ganyan. You should have... Why black, babe?
What? What do you mean why black?
Pencil.
Why not?
Ano bang ano sa atin nito? Ang tawag?
Bread, or we get that tomorrow?
No, we get it now, Kuya. Later.
Bread.
Yeah. Para siyang thank you, Zach. Inutusan ko siyang kunin yung charger sa phone. Yes. And good boy.
There's a cut on the battery.
Yes, thank you. Ayan na, para siyang damit. Nice.
How hard is it? Just don't
Yeah, wait, Baba.
Finding my toothbrush.
Where's your toothbrush? Ayan yung aming toothbrush.
people are still dying in car accidents because
The neighbors, not just by their health status.
Ito na yung ginawa niya, guys. Perfection. Perfection. Ayan. Yes, baby.
Look at my toothbrush.
Yeah.
No.
Right,
Okay.
now,
Toothbrush.
Now you have to copy that one. Yeah. Trace. That's right. Trace. Ito yung sponge. Ano siya? Wet. So, ikat ko siguro to sa dalawa. Kasi, hindi. Pampuna sa sa table. Yung isa hindi. Ito. Ikat ko to kasi sobrang laki naman. Pero meron akong sponge. Meron akong sponge. Yung regular lang. Asan yun?
Holly.
Nandito. Andoon.
Holly.
Asa? Kuya, the dip is in here. The dip. Where's the sponge?
Can I open this, Mommy? Stop.
Seryoso talaga siya doon, oh. Yeah, there.
It's it, mate.
Well, you can get
That one. Yeah, we got all of us.
Go get my one, Holly. Go get mine.
Just color. Mine. Get the pink one, son.
Oh, give me one. I want to show you first.
Blue, bet you.
Yeah.
Pili na sila ng
Oh, what's here?
toothbrush
Look.
nila.
This one?
No.
Dad's having one.
What one are you having? That green. Blue. The blues are the same. I have blue.
No, you can't.
I've already had blue. I stick to blue with my other toothbrush.
Yeah, what color? Green.
He had a green.
Yeah.
No,
He wants an
Mum.
orange one.
Oh, you can, both of you have blue?
Look.
No, but
Dad's
they're
having
gonna
the
get
blue.
mixed up. And
Dad's
you're
gonna
gonna...
have the
Oh,
blue one.
you're brothers.
No,
No, Dad's having the blue one.
Oh, both of you.
I'll put mine somewhere.
Hinintay ko siya matapos kasi yung
Dad,
pantry.
wanna go brush?
Mum,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
pink.
Oh.
Yung purple?
Yun na tayo.
Mom, we can have purple instead
Yeah.
of green. Oh, purple.
We have the same.
Mine's you have the same.
Yeah, kita mo. Let me see, Baba. Gusto niya di yung di battery, di ba? Tapos ito nakita ko.
Wait, it
Ano
has
saan yun?
batteries?
No.
Oh.
I-stick mo lang siya, oh. Mayroon siya na suction.
Suction. It's
Suction.
See, look.
Okay, get
My
tayo
next
dito.
one is going to be in our...
Okay.
If yours
It's mine.
Bukas, doon tayo sa,
We're bringing that
ano,
one
sa,
to the shed.
Of course.
sa ano ba, saan tawag nito? Wala. Hindi na siya.
Mum, mine's gonna
Yung
be
words, ano ba yun? Doon tayo sa lot ni Dad. Doon sa
Or
shed ni Dad.
that's
Sa bay.
white green.
Nandun na sila, Mel.
Mum, we're
Nakaset up na
bringing
yung-
our toothbrushes.
Nakaset up na yung ano ni Mel doon, yung caravan. So, nandun na sila tonight. Tapos kami bukas. Han, when is Talana coming?
Saturday.
Saturday. So, tomorrow is Friday, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So, Saturday si
10,
Talana.
11.
10, 11 already.
Yeah.
Oh my God. The time is so quick when you're doing a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Okay, guys. Si Jen, seryoso.
What?
Yan, oh, seryoso talaga dun.
Guava.
Guava.
Yeah, what's that?
Of kind of fruit.
Looks like a watermelon.
I know what's watermelon. What they say in
Oh,
Chinese.
so nice.
Sigua.
Sigua?
What the
No.
What?
How did you know?
In I've never heard of the word.
Right on, Baba.
Wow.
Hold
Who said that? Baba, where did you...
I've learned it from a game at school.
I don't even know
They
how
have
to
a
speak
they
Chinese
have a
anymore.
game. They have a game on the TV. They have a TV at school, a big screen.
So,
Oh,
I don't
okay.
even know how to spell
Malulubat na
Chinese.
yung ating
Mom, you should
phone.
smell this.
Yeah, I know. That's why I got that one.
Mum,
Careful.
the blue looks sick. Only one person
Yeah,
can
have you
have it.
smelled this?
No, we can put name. I have the tag.
Oh yeah, put it on
The
mine
name.
here. Put it on
I have
mine.
the... Yung dice, ano ba yun? Basta
Don't write his dad's
Purple.
purple.
No, actually, no.
7 pieces kasi yung
I want-
toothbrush. Yung dalawa raw,
I'm
dalhin
having
na
red.
sa
Jinx.
bahay.
Under effect, you know,
Pens.
I did.
Palitan na lang nila yung toothbrush nila. Okay pa naman yung toothbrush nila kasi kailan ko lang yung
No.
binili.
For my second, no, I already have a
I have
second
to
one.
keep mine in the
Ang cute kay
caravan.
Holly.
Which one's
Ano,
your
ang ganda nito.
inside one? Which one's your caravan one?
Red.
Okay.
Oh, here.
Red's mine.
Take a photo of my teeth so I can see how good.
Before and after?
Are these $1?
No.
How much?
I don't know.
$8. Nice.
Mum, can you take a picture of my teeth so I know which my teeth looks like? And it will,
Before and after?
yeah.
Okay, where's my camera? Picture ko lang yung ipin niya bago
Yeah,
siya
mine's
mag-toothbrush.
never gonna change.
Why?
No, these front teeth will never become white again.
Why?
Because they take it's stained, I don't know. But these the back ones are white. It will be white.
You know
I
what?
barely eat here though.
Yeah, but that's the color of your teeth. Means it's
May
that's
take my
stronger.
real tooth.
Stronger yellow
Style,
tooth.
good style.
Insert ko tong ginawa ni Zach. Siya na talaga.
not yours.
Ayan si Zach. How about you, yeah? Okay, brush your teeth.
That's your.
Umalis na yung tatlo kasi bago yung toothbrush nila, ayun, ganadong mag-toothbrush. Yung asawa ko, seryoso talaga dyan sa kanyang project. Yung sa IKEA kasi, guys, nag-ano siya, nagka-curl. Sayang lang nun.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do. Want you next to me.